If you love speed, adrenaline, and the freedom to pull off jaw-dropping aerial maneuvers, FPV racing and freestyle drones are where the action's at. Today, I'll be reviewing the top 5 best FPV racing and freestyle drones of 2025, models that truly deliver in performance, durability, and that heart-pounding flying experience. We'll break down the design, performance, and real-world flying experience so you can figure out which drone fits your style best. As always, the best deals are linked in the description below. Now, let's jump in. On number 5, iFlight Nazgul DC5 ECO, a drone that proves entry-level doesn't have to mean underwhelming. This quad is a favorite among pilots who want a real FPV experience without jumping straight into pro-level pricing. Out of the box, it's built tough, which is huge for beginners. FPV flying involves crashes, lots of them, so having a frame and components that can take repeated hits makes the learning curve less painful. The Nazgul DC5 ECO balances affordability and performance with a smooth flight profile that feels locked in, whether you're zipping through gates or practicing freestyle moves. It isn't overloaded with fancy extras, but it gives you the essentials: durable motors, a solid flight controller, and a frame designed for easy repairs. Many new pilots love how this drone handles out of the box, no endless tweaking required to get stable flight. The tuning feels refined enough that you can focus on learning tricks rather than wrestling with controls. It's also a platform you can grow with. Upgrade the camera or swap in stronger motors later, and it'll keep pace with your skills. It's reliable, repairable, and forgiving enough to take the hits while you push your limits. The perfect launch pad for any new pilot. At number 4, we have the GEPRC Vapor X5, a drone that feels like it was engineered for pilots who crave agility without sacrificing durability. If the Nazgul DC5 ECO is about getting started, the Vapor X5 is where you start leveling up, pushing past beginner loops into real freestyle artistry. The first thing you'll notice with the Vapor X5 is how balanced it feels in the air. It doesn't just zip around, it flows. Whether you're threading gaps in a bando, hitting power loops, or just chasing friends through a park, this quad has the precision to keep up with quick improvisation. If you're ready to move past the entry stage and really start carving lines in the sky with confidence, the GEPRC Vapor X5 is a worthy step up. It blends agility, toughness, and tuning flexibility into a freestyle platform that feels pro-ready without being intimidating. Number 3, GEPRC Mark V HDO4 Pro, a drone that feels like GEPRC took everything pilots loved about their earlier frames and refined it for peak freestyle performance. If the Vapor X5 is all about nimbleness and balance, the Mark V is where power, smoothness, and professional-grade visuals come together in one package. The headline here is its integration with DJI's O4 video transmission system, which delivers crisp, low-latency footage straight to your goggles. That means whether you're diving skyscrapers, orbiting trees, or just flying tight lines through a warehouse, you get an insanely clear, stable view of the world. No more battling static or dropouts mid-flight. For freestyle pilots, that clarity isn't just cool, it's confidence-inspiring. In terms of build, the Mark V is a tank. Its carbon fiber arms are thick and reinforced, making it surprisingly resilient when you misjudge a trick or slam into concrete. The layout is smartly designed for easy maintenance too, so swapping parts doesn't feel like surgery. It's a rig built for people who actually fly hard, not just show it off on a shelf. What really sets the Mark V apart, though, is the feel in the air. It's smooth, predictable, and tuned in a way that makes power loops and dives feel cinematic. Pair it with a GoPro or DJI's own action cams, and suddenly your freestyle lines look like polished edits straight out of YouTube bangers. For pilots who are chasing both performance and professional quality footage, the Mark V HDO4 Pro hits a sweet spot. It's durable, reliable, and tuned for serious flying, perfect for those stepping deeper into the freestyle scene. On number 2, iFlight Chimera 7 Pro. This is a long-range beast built for explorers who want to push past the park and into the wild. If the Mark V is all about freestyle creativity in tight spaces, the Chimera 7 Pro is designed for covering distance, soaring across mountain ridges, chasing along rivers, or cruising through wide-open skies. The first thing you notice is its 7-inch prop setup. Bigger props mean more efficiency and more thrust, which translates to longer flight times and smoother cruising at range. Pilots who've tested it report getting impressive minutes in the air compared to typical 5-inch builds, a huge advantage if you're planning cinematic one-takes or mapping out new terrain. It's also equipped to handle long-range video transmission systems, which means you're not just blasting off blindly. Pair it with DJI's digital system, and you're seeing crisp visuals even miles out, giving you the confidence to explore without worrying about losing your feed. The Chimera is also tuned with stability in mind, so it feels steady in the air even when carrying extra weight like GoPros or heavier action cams. Durability hasn't been overlooked either. The carbon frame is reinforced, and the components are laid out to minimize stress in rough landings, important when you're flying somewhere remote and can't afford a broken arm or snapped antenna. The real draw here is cinematic long-range freedom. The Chimera 7 Pro isn't about quick flips and rolls. It's about capturing that epic, wide, flowing footage that feels like something out of a drone film festival. If your dream flight is less backyard practice and more epic journey, this drone has the wingspan and endurance to make it happen. Finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Avata 2, a drone that brings cinematic FPV to more people than ever. DJI designed this model for pilots who want the immersive rush of FPV without the steep build-and-tune learning curve. From the moment you strap on the goggles and take off, the Avata 2 feels like a different world. The controls are smooth, the video feed is crystal clear, and the flight is stable even when you push it hard. What sets the Avata 2 apart is how it blends performance with accessibility. Traditional FPV drones often demand technical knowledge and constant tuning, but DJI streamlines the experience with intuitive controls, safety features like obstacle detection, and a robust digital transmission system. That means you can focus on flying and creating instead of troubleshooting. The camera is another highlight. Crisp 4K with excellent stabilization, making your footage look like it was shot with a cinematic rig. Whether you're diving cliffs, weaving through trees, or chasing cars, the Avata 2 captures it all in buttery smooth detail. Plus, with its compact design and protective ducts, it's more crash-resistant than most drones in its class. For creators and thrill seekers alike, this drone delivers that heart-pounding FPV feel while keeping it approachable and reliable. The DJI Avata 2 isn't just an FPV drone, it's a bridge between raw adrenaline and polished cinematic storytelling, making it our top pick for 2025. There you have it. Our top 5 FPV racing and freestyle drones of 2025, from the beginner-friendly durability of the iFlight Nazgul DC5 ECO to the cinematic power and accessibility of the DJI Avata 2. No single drone fits every pilot, so choose based on whether you value raw freestyle agility, long-range exploration, or easy plug-and-play flying. All product links are in the description for the latest specs and deals. If this roundup helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment on which drone you're most excited to fly or what kind of FPV adventures you're planning next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.